Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we have another unboxing video. We've got a kitchen Overland for camping. It's a box that you open up. It's got several drawers that pop out, and it gives you a sink, a place to put storage, and then it gives you a flat place so you can have a cooking area, which is really neat. They sent it out to me for the Jeep, which is really awesome. I got a full Jeep build where we've done a rooftop tent, an awning. We put lights on it. We've done some stuff inside, but I'll post that right here if you're interested in seeing that. But right now we're going to unbox this. One thing it doesn't tell you, I guess you could look in the comments, but you've got to build this. So this one's got a sink with it. It's a little bit damaged right here. The box could have been a little bit better packaged. Here's the sink. So yeah, you got to build all this. And for it to be able to stay, that has these eye bolts on each side that you ratchet strap it to the Jeep or to your vehicle. I wonder if it has instructions, which I'm not much of an instruction reader. Oh, this is the pole that holds everything once you've pulled everything out. I believe the cabinet, that's the front door, maybe the back. It's lightweight, it's not super heavy, which is good. This looks like the bottom. I'm going to trip over that later. Let's see here. I bet that is for that pole that just fell. Goes underneath. And another track. Alright, let's get this thing built. So there's the two tracks. This is left and right. This is right. Anything else? Terribly packaged. Box is a little bit flimsy. Alright. Let's look at these boxes first, because I don't know what's inside these. So this is right. I need a left kitchen. Right? When you're looking at the back, I hope it's that way. It's right here. So it gives you an option for left or right, which is pretty cool, I believe. Right, let's put this here. Probably don't need all that, but they do give you a little flathead, screws, an Allen. It's like building, when you get something from, when you order a furniture online where you have to build the whole thing. It's a weird little screw. Does that fit that? It does, so it's an Allen. Okay. Alright. No instructions, huh? Maybe. Let's look here. Maybe there's some instructions here. We don't really look at instructions, and I'm like struggling because there's always instructions. Alright, let's see. Let's open this up. Here. Alright, so let's build it, guys. This is the one we want. We're going to let it in. I think that's the top. I don't know what that is. Just yet. Oh. They give you ratchet straps. That's for installing it. And there's sink. So you push it down like this. You have your sink. There's the D-rings that's on the outside where you strap the strap this to the Jeep or your vehicle. So I'd assume it would go like that. And is there holes on the bottom? Nope. There's holes on the top. So this is upside down, I guess. Alright. Let's get this figured out. I'll be right back. I was wrong. When they're selling these, you can get a left-handed drawer where everything's facing you this way, or a right-handed where everything's facing you this way. And so when I saw this, it says right and left, and so that made me think that you could set it up either way, but I was wrong. What's throwing me off is in that box is a left side where you stick this inside here. These two are the things that are inside there. So you'll slide this inside here. So that'll be one side. And you look, it's got the D-rings on the outside so you can strap it down. That'll be on the left side. And so now we need to put tops and bottoms on it. I think this goes here. And I wonder if I'm doing this backwards still, because it still has this, it has a screw hole back here. So I'm pretty sure it needs to go like that. But it has these holes. See the holes on the back? So that would go here, that'll go there. Just lining up these holes. It's got these holes up top here. And this, like that. I could be still wrong. I'm still trying to figure this thing out, because it has, this has to slide out. This is one of the tops with the sink. this is a drawer. Close this up here. Boom. Alright. We're just trying to build boxes here. It's crazy it doesn't come with the freaking instructions. Alright, nothing is screwed in just yet. So I'm just kind of building it. But the two boxes that says right and left, that's the right side, or this is the right side, this is the left side, I guess, when you're looking at it. You'll just slide in your two channels. I found this. It's got two holes on the front and back, nothing, and one on the bottom and one on the top. So that just tells me this is the back. So there's that. And then this, I believe, is the top. It's got a screw in the center and then 3 down the sides, just like the bottom one. So we'll put that here. So what we'll do is let's just screw all this in. And we've got the box, we've got the hinges, and I think it'll start coming together. It's crazy this doesn't come with instructions, but I think I've got it. So if you watch this, we'll get this thing figured out together. So far I've got the bottom, the top, the right side. These were in those two boxes, the right side and the left side. So I'm going to go get a drill to make this a little bit quicker, and I'll be right back. Put some on the sides, keep that from moving. Oops, don't go too crazy. We're getting somewhere. I don't know where this goes just yet. Let's just put it over here. Alright, I'm going to flip it around, screw that in, and we'll do the next thing. We'll be right back. Alright, I've got the top, or the bottom one. I think it'd have a platform. So take a look, I'll let you see. So if we did it this way, because all the shelving will be down at the bottom, and then I'll have something maybe to put a cooler on or something like that. It just makes more sense. And so the hinges need to go down the other direction. Alright, so let's get that changed over because I screwed up. Alright, I'll swap this over. I'll be right back. Just making sure I'm not screwing up anymore. This has got to come off. And see how these are wide here and short here? They're wide and short on this side. Alright, so this will be the top now. So you can put a cooler up here or water. You'll have the strap that you can strap right over top of your cooler. Alright, and all you do, what I'm doing, just get them in the hole, kind of twist them. Still screwing up. So you got the screw in the back here. You gotta put that in the back. So that's the back of it. So this is going to be a video on what not to do. That's kind of how I learned, is by screwing up. Then by the time it's all said and done, I'll probably be the best cabinet maker ever. So this is the top now. Alright, I'll put the bottom on and we'll be back in the game to add more stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, got the last screw in. This is the bottom. That is the top. So I need to put drawers. Oh man. Alright, well I've already screwed up again. Here, take a look at this. So we got to put a wall back there. So that goes inside there. Like that. But that's easy. I can take these off, screw that on, and then put it back in. And that should be finished. So that sucks a little bit. So how do you take these out? Oh, should be. Oh, it's on the outside. Don't need to go super far out. A little lever. Maybe it's that. That's it. So that's this, and it's got a little black lever on the other side. Alright. Make sure everything's kind of. See how it's fat and then skinny? Trying to kind of follow that theme there. before I close it up, I'll probably need to put a top on it possibly as well. I have to take it completely off because you can't screw it through the hinge. Alright, so we have to take it completely off. The hinge right here, you can't screw that other side. So we'll build it. We're getting there. Yes. Put this on, and then we'll need to find a top for it. So far, not too hard. We'll figure it out. We're figuring it out. It's still neat. I'm excited about it, using it. Alright. What top would go on this? So, see this little cutout right here? That'll probably go like right there. Does that line up? It does line up. Alright. There, 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 and there. So that'll work. That little cutout, that just made sense to me. Alright. So this slides perfectly inside there, and these screws line up perfectly. So it looks like there's something else that's going to go right here and right there. I bet it's probably that. But yeah, let's take a look. Alright. I lift it up just a little bit. Everything lines up really nice. I'm not having to force anything. There we go. They've got this down perfect. Alright, and then maybe this? No, not that way. This is it. This is next. We're getting there, guys and girls. We are getting there. Alright, we've still got pieces we've got to put together. Alright, and this goes right there. Is our sink. Alrighty, so there's another drawer that goes here. Let's put this. I'm not a cabinet maker, but I'm pretty sure. What's going on here? There we go. Little lever on the back. Alright, nice. Alright, so push this lever. Boom. Whoa, that's what that's for. You can lift this up. Got your sink. Let's close it. You're gonna have to have that thing locked down for all this to work. That's cool. Alright, we've got this stuff left over. So you're gonna have one with the line. All these have the lines cutouts in them. That's probably the floor. This is probably the floor of it. Boom. Alright, let's get this thing figured out. So that goes, okay, got it. So that goes like that. Alright, boom. Alright, so there's not a slit in here where you can slide anything, so you're going to have to put that piece in before you lock her down. There's screws, yep, on the outside, right? In the world. Alright, we'll screw it. Coming together. Alrighty, and the back side. There's one that doesn't have any lines to it. Not sure where that goes. This one does. That's the end of the screws too. We don't have any more screws. We've got these little tiny ones. Oh, there's two more screws. Wonder if they gave you extra. Alright. Where did that go? There it is. And that crack. There we go. Alrighty. So there's these little relief cuts right here. Because when this comes all the way out, it will hang. That's what this is for. That'll go like that. And they give you these little, I need a Phillips head. Well, they give you a Phillips head. We can hand screw it. There's no holes, so you'll have to do it yourself. I've got one more piece of wood. I'm not sure what that's for just yet. I haven't had a chance to play with it. But this isn't expensive either. They're like $240, $239. They've got a larger one that's like $330. But I'm not 100% on how waterproof this stuff is because it's going to be in the back of your truck. And this is laminated wood. But looking at outdoor kitchens, the cheapest one I've seen started around $700. And I mean, this right here, hands down, is inexpensive. Now imagine they making you put this together for shipping. Before I shut this all up, where'd that other piece of wood? Alright, so I got one more piece of wood and it's got holes on both sides. Don't think it's for this. There it is. And then it has the pole here. Does this twist? Oh no. Oh. So you can go like that for your length. That is so cool. It's got a threaded end, so I guess that threads up inside there. There's something I'm missing. What is it? Alright. So, open that up. Then you will screw this on like that. Pull this one. We'll open this up just a little bit higher. There we go. Alrighty. So there's a place right here. Alright, I found it. Here, let me show you. So a hole right there, and the hole on the other side. I think that just puts these two together. There's a hole there too. I need a shoot. So that's probably for this. Let me open this up real quick. Yep, see right there? So this is like a little drawer, so nothing will come out. That makes sense. Okay, yeah, easy enough. Sucks, I gotta take something. I probably have to take something apart. Maybe, let's see. Slide this in. Boom. Alright, so I do not have to take it apart, which is awesome. Cool. That's a little drawer. That's awesome. Nice. Alright. This is cool. I freaking love it. This is neat. Here, let's take a walk. Look around. It's a place where you can cook. It's got a little drawer, a little table. I guess it don't really matter. I could set it left, right? That doesn't really matter, because then I could work here and then have maybe a jug of water right here. Do a little place to strap it down. Nice. Oh, I like it. All right. Locks that down. Wonder if you can screw this, or what is this? Fine thread? Will that fit inside there? Let's see. Close this up. That would work. This is super cool. Packs down, nothing. I like this, man. This is super cool. If you want one of these, I'll put it in the description below. They're on Amazon. They make a couple of different ones. But I'm going to be using this a lot. I'm not sure how well it'll do in the weather. It does have a protective coating over it, but it is wood. I almost forgot. Let's put it on the Jeep. Guess I don't really need this because I got the tailgate. I'll keep it over here. Cook, not sure. So it probably should be over here so you can get a hold of your utensils and stuff like that. Right there. So you can pull it out. Where's the straps at? Let's see here. Take this, go in, boom. If you have a cooler, you can strap it. And that's on there now. Oh, I won't be able to. Oh, yeah, that ain't bad. That's not bad. I freaking love this, man. This is awesome. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.